Hello, welcome guys. It's your man, Son of Air. I'll be making a very quick video. I'll be explaining how to install the latest Windows 10 version 22H2. Actually, for some years now, let's say for about 2 years, I've had issues with my Windows. I download and after 2 3 hours of download and it gets stuck at the installing as it's 1%. So and it will be there forever. So I did a couple of research, so many things, updating the BIOS, trying to use MCT tools, and trying to I was mad. I was mad. So it couldn't allow me to do anything. All the time it's always updating on the background. And when I restart my PC, it starts afresh to download. Then after downloading to try to install, as it's 1%, it will stop. Then I finally found the answer. I think I found the answer on a Lenovo program or on Reddit, either one of them. The answer is very easy. There's a driver, an inbuilt driver. Uh, there's an inbuilt driver in Windows that doesn't allow the new updates, such as stubborn driver. So name of the driver is a sound driver, Connaissant. I will have to show you right now. This Connaissant driver. Let me make it clear to you. Uh, Connaissant. This driver here. So if you are facing the same issue of getting to 61% and the Windows latest updates never installs, you just have to uninstall this Connaissance audio driver. You can't like after installing you can get it back. In fact, it automatically downloads back by Windows because for most HPs is inbuilt. So you have to uninstall this. I've already done that, so I can't be doing it all over again. But you know the process. You uninstall, you go through the process, you uninstall it. After uninstalling it, your PC might lose sound. It's likely to lose sound because it's the main driver controlling unless you have other drivers. So you after uninstalling this, you now go back. That is before the Windows starts installing, maybe it's still downloading, you uninstall this driver. And uh, in some cases, you have to go to device also, device manager, and check if the Connaissance sound driver is hidden. Because in some cases and in some PCs or Windows, it's hidden, so you have to press here, show hidden devices, and you click to see if look at them, but you have to uninstall it from the programs from the control panel. Once you do that, that's meant to go out from here. So now after uninstalling properly and it doesn't, and you check here, you see some, then you start to do it one by one. But first you have to uninstall it from the control panel, programs and features, and then you check if there's anyone remaining here. If there is none, you go install. You just allow your system for like 1 hour or two. It's going to download and install. And yeah, so up to now we don't know the reason why the driver has become a barrier to the latest Windows update. And even when you troubleshoot, you cannot even find any answer. So look at my Windows. Is up to date. Up to date. I'm up to date. Finally, over 2 years, I've been unable to be up to date. So, thank you. And make sure to subscribe. I'm a gamer and also a football fan. So, I'll be bringing you some nice videos. Take care.